to use Claude Code with only using API key, Anthropic API key, for that first you need to add your API key on the user variable. For that, first type env and you will see this. Edit the system environment variable. Select environment variable, and here in the user variable you have to add new, type Anthropic API key, then you have to paste your API key over here, then press OK, and OK. Once you add API key on the environment variable, then you have to paste this command. It will be in the description, and press enter and it will open this thing. Here you have to type comma, then paste the command I have given in the description. Paste it over here, this command, then save it, and you can close this one. Close this CMD, then type command prompt and you can type Claude. Once you type Claude, select the mode, and here it is asking Claude can make mistakes. Then press enter. I trust this folder. If you have to work on any specific project, you can just type yes, I trust this folder, and you're ready to go. The Claude Code is using your API key. If you like this video, make sure to click like button and subscribe to my channel. That's it. Let's see you in the next video.